For all those founders that made it, congratulations, you made it. For those who missed it, you can still be a member later. But it won't be the same. But take heart. We all missed opportunities in our lives. We all know it's not the end of the world, right? But this is the beginning of something new. It's a brand new, conscious, high-tech company, one that works like a stimulus plan for the whole world. Shoot, you can even be a reseller of the ONPASSIVE products. How? By joining as a customer. Did you know that we're going to be opening soon? Publicly? Yep. Once we do, you can join as a member. Because you know what? The branding in Dubai, that was just the beginning. Oh yeah, events in India, Singapore, UK, Germany, worldwide, the whole world, yeah. Check it out. Our marketing is global. We have an entire digital ecosystem and a full line of physical products. We have everything you need, everything with the most value, higher quality, lower cost, everything. We have our own data center, with others on the way. But there's more. We also have multiple innovation labs. We're going to be developing digital and physical products, researchers, mechanical engineers in the bioindustries sector, products, marketing, traffic, sales. It's all done for you. So, as big as you may think we are, we're bigger. So if you missed the founder opportunity, become a member when we open. Could save your life or just open up avenues you never dreamed of. Either way, get in, get unstuck, click here to learn more. Join later.